Hello, my name is Emma, and I will be your English teacher for today at English PhraseCamp. In today's video, you will learn 100 essential English phrases for daily use. These phrases are for beginner-level ESL students, so not only are they easy, but you can start using these phrases in your daily life right now. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's begin our English speaking practice. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. What's new? Nothing much. See you later. Take care. Can I help you? Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I apologize. No problem. Can you say that again? I don't understand. Could you please speak slower? How do you spell that? What does this mean? How do you pronounce this? Where are you from? Do you speak English? I speak a little English. Could you please help me? What's the time? It's 3:10. Where is the school? It's this way. How far is it? It's about 100 meters away. I'm looking for a black dress. Have a nice day. What would you like? I would like this one. I'm allergic to nuts. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Is there a hotel around here? How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? I'm just browsing, thanks. Can I try this on? Where's the fitting room? Do you have this in a different size? I'll take it. Can I get a receipt, please? Can we have the menu, please? I'm starving. I'm thirsty. Can we get some water, please? A table for 4, please? Could I see the wine list? I'm a vegetarian. What do you recommend? Can I get the check, please? Is service included? It's on me. Let's go Dutch. Can I book a table for 2 on the 15th of next month? Do you deliver? I'll have the steak and mashed potatoes, please. I'd like my steak medium rare. Can you pass the salt? This is delicious. I'm stuffed. Can I have a doggy bag, please? Bon appetit. Cheers. Do you take reservations? Can I change my order, please? How long will the food take? I need to cancel my reservation. It's a bit too spicy. It's a bit too sweet. It's a bit too salty. I'll be right back. Can I get this to go? I think there's been a mistake. Keep the change. I'm here to see John. What time do you close? Are you open on Friday? Can I get directions to Grand Central Station? I think I'm lost. Is this seat taken? May I sit here? Could you move over a little? What's the Wi-Fi password? How do I get to the airport? Can I have a map, please? Where can I buy tickets? What platform does the train leave from? Does this bus go to the airport? How much is a ticket to New York? Where can I grab a taxi? Where's the nearest train station? Could we have some more wine, please? I'm from Los Angeles.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.